असलकुम एंड वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो ऑफ स्ट्रेट वीकेंड। एंड हम आपके लिए फिर लेकर आए हैं मज़ीद जॉब। देखते हैं कहाँ पर जगह खाली है। तो पहली वैकेंसी है इन आवर लाइन इज़ HR मैनेजर रिक्वायर्ड बाय स्पेक एड इज़ द कंपनी। एजुकेशन रिक्वायर्ड इज़ मास्टर्स इन बिजनेस और HR। Experience required is 5 to 6 years experience at least as a manager, and the location is Karachi. They have mentioned the timing and the email address, so you can apply for this vacancy. The second is line is in the company UBL funds, and they require deputy manager internal audit. Okay, the qualification for this job is qualified chartered accountancy only. The experience they required is at 2 to 4 years, and the location is Karachi. The email address is mentioned below. Please mention this position in the subject line. The next we have here is Sama Packaging Machine and Process System, and they are hiring graphic designer. The qualification they required intermediate or bachelor's or relevant certification. Experience they required is 6 months or 1 year, and gender is male. The location is Karachi. You can apply on the given email address below. ओके जी, अब नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है यहाँ पर सोशल मीडिया स्पेशलिस्ट इज रिक्वायर्ड बाय crystallight.net, और द रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर bachelor's degree in marketing communication or related field, maybe I guess mass communication के लोग भी इस फील्ड के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. The age limit they have given is 22 to 28. 1 year experience कह रहे हैं, and excellent written and verbal communication skills should be there. Email address is there. You can apply on the given email address. The next in line is in the company Bitswits, and they are looking for online bidder business development manager. ठीक है जी, इसके लिए इन्होंने क्वालिफिकेशन स्किल सेट बताया है. Must be CS graduate and understand technology to nurture tech leads. Experience required is online bidding 3+ experience, preferred 4+ experience. लोकेशन इन्होंने मेंशन नहीं की है अपने ऐड के अंदर. बाकी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज की स्पेसिफिकेशन भी इन्होंने मेंशन कर दी है. यू कैन अप्लाई ऑन द गिवन ईमेल एड्रेस बिलो. The next position is also from Bitswits, and they are hiring here senior software engineer. Okay, यहाँ पर इन्होंने लोकेशन मेंशन कर दी है which is Karachi. उसके अलावा they want a senior software engineer, a person who have already worked as a senior software engineer. इसके अलावा they need the qualification must be bachelor's or master's in computer science, and they are seeking excellent organizational and leadership skills. ईमेल एड्रेस यहाँ पर मेंशन है. सब्जेक्ट लाइन में ज़रूर पोजीशन मेंशन करें और उसके बाद यहाँ पर अप्लाई करें. Okay, moving on to another open vacancy which is in Angro, and they are seeking energy executive. That is a contractual job, permanent job नहीं है ये, and this is based in Islamabad. The requirement is BSc Technology Electrical Electronics, और उसके अलावा 2+ year experience इनको चाहिए. यहाँ पर they have not mentioned any email address, so you have to go on their website. आपको इनकी वेबसाइट पर जाना होगा, and then आपको वहाँ से इनकी जॉब पर अप्लाई करना होगा. Next job in the pipeline is English transcriber is required, और ये कंपनी है crystallight.net. इनका एड्रेस है HR@crystallight.net. फुल टाइम पार्ट टाइम दोनों कैपेसिटीज़ में अप्लाई किया जा सकता है. The education is required is intermediate or bachelor's. The main skill set is required is the English language, proficiency in English language, and 1 year experience of working. So you can apply on the given email address or website as well. Okay, next we have is MTJ. They are looking for accounts executive, and the educational specifications are minimum bachelor's or MBA in accounting and finance, and they require 2 to 3 years relevant experience. You can apply on the given address, and the location is based in Karachi. Moving on to another open vacancy, it's in Indus Pharma, and they are looking for production executive, which is based in Karachi at plant. The essentials are they are looking for PharmD from a recognized university and 2 to 3 years of experience in the similar role. Required skill set is good communication, interpersonal presentation, integrity, computer proficiency, etc. You can apply on this vacancy before 31st December 2020. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think that this video was useful for you, please like and subscribe and share it as well. Thank you.